Today I am here with a new topic again. Courage and comfort cannot go hand in hand. Yes, it is comfortable for you to do your testing practice and learn English. But to meet to people, it is courage. Yes, it is comfortable for you to talk in your native language. Yes, and practice it only with your friends. But to speak in English to a stranger, it will require courage. Successful are those who have shown courage in their lives. If you want to reach the top of the building, you should not aim to the top of the building. You should aim at the skies. Then you will be able to reach at least the top of the building. Get out of your comfort zone. Start talking to people. Show your courage. Nothing will happen. Trust me.
Start.
You might fail or you might make mistakes, but what you will gain is confidence. What is the difference between, here I'll say the another topic for you. What is the difference between along with and with? With is a position used to show with position or manner. It can also be used as position or manner. It can also be used as adverb. Example, she went out with her friends. For example, he speaks with a lot of grace. Whereas along with is not a preposition. It is a phrase. It is used to indicate that something is occupying with something else. So it can be used at the beginning of the sentence. With cannot be used at the beginning of the sentence. Example of along with are the restaurant series main course along with the dessert. The restaurant serves the main course along with the dessert. He bought his phone along with a phone case. See, you can say cut the paper with a scissor, but you can't say cut the paper along with a scissor, which means cut the paper at the scissor as well. I hope you got the difference. Thank you.